Home Affairs proposes tighter asylum rules and merit-based citizenship system. The Department of Home Affairs has proposed sweeping changes to South Africa's asylum, immigration, and citizenship framework, marking what officials describe as one of the most significant policy overhauls in decades. The proposals are contained in a draft revised white paper on citizenship, immigration, and refugee protection, which was published for public comment this week. Home Affairs Minister Leon Schreiber said the proposed reforms are aimed at strengthening national security, reducing fraud and abuse within the system, and improving the overall management of migration and citizenship processes. The department has argued that the current framework is outdated and no longer fit for purpose in addressing modern migration realities. One of the most notable proposed changes relates to asylum policy. The draft white paper introduces the first safe country principle, which would disqualify asylum seekers who have already received protection in another country or who passed through safe countries before arriving in South Africa from applying for asylum locally. According to the department, this measure is intended to prevent the misuse of the asylum system by individuals who are not in immediate need of protection. The proposals also introduce a shift toward a merit-based approach to citizenship. Under the new system, citizenship would no longer be determined primarily by the length of time a person has lived in South Africa. Instead, applications for naturalization would be assessed using a set of defined criteria, with a citizenship advisory panel playing a role in evaluating applications. A points-based system is proposed for certain economic pathways to citizenship, similar to those used in countries such as Canada and Australia. To address long-standing administrative backlogs, the white paper suggests that citizenship applications should only be accepted during an annual application window. The department believes this will allow for more predictable processing and improved service delivery. Existing rules regarding children born to South African citizens would remain unchanged, meaning a child with at least one South African parent would still automatically qualify for citizenship. Children born to non-citizen parents would continue to apply for naturalization under the revised criteria. The draft policy also builds on recent visa reforms by proposing merit-based point systems for certain visas and permanent residency permits. These measures are intended to attract skilled professionals, entrepreneurs, remote workers, and other individuals deemed capable of contributing to economic growth. In addition, the white paper outlines plans to reform civil registration systems and lays the groundwork for a future digital identity system to improve the accuracy and efficiency of population records. The Department of Home Affairs has opened the draft white paper for public comment until the end of January 2026 and has scheduled consultation sessions across all 9 provinces. The department has encouraged members of the public, civil society organizations, and business groups to participate in the consultation process before the policy is finalized.
For these and more news, stay tuned to Empress News, where we drop it like it's hot. Don't forget to like and subscribe.